I got mail on PlayStation 5 and the customer said this console is not turned on, or sometimes turn on and turn on. So first let's try to test it. Let's turn on. The console is on. Let's see. Oh, I got white light, but it shut off by itself. Let's try one more time. Nothing. Nothing. So I think this console need maybe deep clean or something else. So let's open it and check. The console is dusty, but it's not too bad. The first thing I see, this connector is not like good. And look at that, the ribbon cable have some damage. So I think the main issue on the ribbon cable. Let's disconnect it first. I will try to test this console without this cable and I will see. Let's turn on. And the fan is working. Let's see if I have overheating. Oh, I got signal and the console is on, so I got it. The issue is this ribbon cable. If you try to clean your console or open your console, so just check the cable before put any screws here. Turn off the console. I will change this cable, and this cable is available on our shop if you like to buy one. And this is a brand new cable. Let's connect it. And the cable is connected. Just be careful when you try to put the cable like that. Put it like that. So let's test it now. The console is on and they have light, and finally the console is fixed. I will clean this console and send it back to the customer. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.